Homes in Covington experience conditions that make window performance especially important. Heat and humidity can quickly impact indoor comfort, and older windows often struggle to keep these elements outside where they belong. Vinyl windows have become a popular choice for homeowners looking for reliable performance in warm, moisture-heavy environments. Their design and material properties help maintain comfort while standing up well to challenging conditions. Why heat and humidity affect window performance? High temperatures and moisture place stress on window materials over time. Heat can cause some materials to expand or warp, while humidity can lead to swelling, deterioration, or maintenance issues. In Covington homes, windows must handle both challenges consistently. Vinyl windows are designed to remain stable under changing conditions, making them well suited for these environments. Moisture resistance that supports longevity. One of vinyl's biggest advantages is its resistance to moisture. Unlike materials that can absorb water, vinyl does not swell, rot, or corrode when exposed to humidity. For Covington homeowners, this means vinyl windows maintain their shape and performance even when humidity levels rise. This resistance helps prevent sticking, misalignment, and long-term material damage. Maintaining a tight seal in warm conditions. Heat can cause materials to expand, which may affect how tightly a window seals when closed. Vinyl windows are engineered to handle temperature changes without compromising their fit. In Covington homes, vinyl windows continue to close securely and maintain a tight seal. This helps block warm air from entering and supports consistent indoor comfort throughout the day. Reducing heat transfer through the window. Vinyl window frames help limit heat transfer between indoor and outdoor spaces. This reduces the amount of heat that enters the home through the window structure. For Covington homeowners, this means rooms feel cooler and more balanced, especially in areas with significant sun exposure. Vinyl windows support a more comfortable indoor environment without constant adjustments. Preventing condensation and moisture buildup. Humidity combined with temperature differences can lead to condensation on windows. Vinyl windows help manage this issue by maintaining stable interior surfaces. In Covington homes, reduced condensation means fewer damp areas around window frames and improved overall comfort. This also helps maintain a cleaner, drier indoor environment. Supporting comfortable living spaces. Windows play a major role in how comfortable rooms feel, especially those near exterior walls. Vinyl windows help prevent hot spots and sticky air from affecting living spaces. Covington homeowners often notice that seating areas near vinyl windows feel more comfortable and usable, even during warmer periods. Low maintenance performance. In humid conditions, humidity can increase maintenance demands for certain window materials. Vinyl windows require minimal upkeep and don't need painting or sealing to protect against moisture. For Covington homeowners, this low maintenance performance is a major benefit. Vinyl windows maintain their appearance and function without added effort. Long-term durability. You can rely on vinyl windows are designed for long-term use in demanding environments. Their resistance to heat and moisture helps ensure consistent performance year after year. Covington homeowners appreciate knowing their windows can handle local conditions without frequent repairs or replacements. A practical choice for local comfort. Choosing windows that perform well in heat and humidity makes everyday living more comfortable. Vinyl windows offer reliable sealing, moisture resistance, and thermal stability. For homeowners in Covington, vinyl windows provide a practical, long-lasting solution for managing heat and humidity, helping create a home that feels cooler, drier, and more comfortable every day.